Okay, here we are at giftcards.com. We're going to click on Create Your Own Card. You can see we have 7 steps to creating a card. The first step is to select the quantity of cards that you'd like. For this example, I will select 2. You can see on the left side there are 2 created cards, 1, 2. The next step, I'm going to click on Start This Card for the first card. And I'm going to select Visa card. You could also select a MasterCard. The next step, we're going to add a photo. And you can see we go to my hard drive here, find a photo, and select the photo. I could then move the photo. See, I can drag it, grab the corners. Now the photo has to be covering the edges of the card. If I move it off, you can see the warning message saying that there's going to be white space. So put it over top of the card here. I could rotate the image. I could move the image, these arrows. You can also see the image guidelines. Be sure to take a look at this. Company names, trademarks, logos, things like that we do not allow to be printed on Visa and MasterCard. So take a look at that. I'll click on Preview. Looks good. I click on I'm done and go to the next step. Okay, the next step is to start your next card. So I'll come back over here to card number 2. Click on Start This Card. I will add a photo. Again, go to my library, find some pictures, grab this penguin one. You can see I could rotate it. And that looks good, so I'm going to be done with this. Click on Done. Now I can add another created card by clicking here. I can duplicate that penguin card by clicking on Duplicate, or I can go to the next step. We're going to click on Go to the next step. Okay, in this step you can see this is a step where we add recipient info and card funds. So for these 2 cards, I'm going to add $25. I'm going to make it out to Joe Smith. And in boss message, you could type anything you'd like or choose one of our standard messages here. Let's go with Season's Greetings. And the next one will go to Susan Smith. And I'll type in there, "You are great." Then you can see that it shows up over here on these 2 cards. I will click on Next Step to go to step number 3, which would be the personalization of the greeting card. I could select a standard greeting card for $1.50, or I can select a custom greeting card for $2.50. I'm going to go ahead and select the custom greeting card. Okay, in the custom greeting card, I have a drop down. I could select the categories that I'd like. You could see there's a lot of different categories. I'm going to select holiday. Okay, inside the holiday category, I'll select the snowman. And the first step is to upload a photo, so I will click on Add Photo. I'll find a photo on my hard drive here. And we will add the photo. As you can see, it uploads a photo. I could scale the photo, in or out, rotate the photo, move the photo, and change the effects of the photo. We're just going to go with the original. Let me rotate that back. And then I do that. That's the cover. I do the inside top. So maybe add some text in there. It was a great summer. And inside bottom, I'm going to add some text in there. Have fun. Love, Dad. And then the envelope, you can see. Because I'd like to have the same cover inside, top, and bottom applied to both cards, you can see up here at the top there's 2 cards. I'm just going to click on Apply to All. So the same style is on both of the cards that I just created. And then I'm going to add them to my cart. I'll preview the card here. It looks good. If I have a coupon code, I'll enter it over here.